In the coastal town of Flinders, on the ancestral lands of the Bunurong people, Corner House by Archier stands as a masterclass in architectural discretion. Tasked with a challenging square site exposed to adjacent streets, the architects opted for a strategy of capture and conceal. The result is a restrained, dark exterior that acts as a protective husk, shielding a delicate private world from the gaze of the Mornington Peninsula's passing traffic. This perimeter wall is not merely a barrier but a confident civic gesture, utilizing fiber cement cladding that pays homage to the traditional board-and-batten fishing cottages native to the region. The transition from the public realm to the private interior is marked by a dramatic shift in scale. A soaring entrance with ceiling heights exceeding 4 meters creates a sense of grandeur, yet this volume quickly gives way to a more nuanced internal landscape. Inside, the corners of the home emerge as the primary organizational logic. These distinct volumes are linked by slender circulation galleries designed to showcase the client's extensive art collection. As one moves through the home, there is a literal and metaphorical ascent, transitioning from the airy, high-ceilinged studio at the front toward the intimate, low-slung warmth of the kitchen and living areas at the rear. Central to the home's soul is the private courtyard, a void that functions as an extruded lens for the entire site. Developed in collaboration with landscape architects Openwork, this outdoor sanctuary features a dogwood, a Chinese tallow, and a fig tree, species deeply meaningful to the homeowners. The courtyard does more than provide light, it facilitates oblique and softly obscure glances between the interior volumes. This layout ensures that residents can perceive one another's presence across the garden without the jarring intensity of direct eye contact, fostering a unique balance between communal connection and individual isolation. Archier's material palette is characterized by a productive tension between the robust and the refined. On the exterior, micaceous iron oxide (MiO) paint provides a hard-wearing, textured finish capable of weathering the coastal air. Inside, however, a timber veil traces the inner envelope, softening the atmosphere. The use of a structural insulated panel system, SIPS, provides a high-performance backdrop, while continuous joinery, which shifts fluidly between wardrobe, storage, and seating, adds depth to the outer walls. This integration of furniture and architecture blurs the lines between everyday rituals and the display of precious art objects. The project arrived at a pivotal moment for the clients, who were transitioning from demanding careers in Melbourne to a new chapter of retirement on the peninsula. Archier founders Oscar Kazmanley-Liffin and Chris Gilbert sought to create a dwelling that mediated relationships rather than strictly separating them. Eschewing overly choreographed visual paths, the house celebrates incidental encounters. The inclusion of 3 full-height external pivot doors further empowers the inhabitants. These massive operable elements allow the static perimeter wall to break down, inviting guests directly into the courtyard and giving the owners total agency over their home's level of transparency. Ultimately, Corner House proves that architectural impact is not synonymous with physical scale. At under 200 square meters, this modest two-bedroom home avoids the excess of typical coastal developments in favor of a singular, elemental gesture. It is a house that functions as a sanctuary for both art and the self, providing a sophisticated framework for new routines. By focusing on the personal relationship between the inhabitant and the built environment, Archier has delivered a residence that is as much a psychological retreat as it is a physical one.